KW Plano, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Want to let you know about a class that we have coming your way, actually two classes from Lawyers Title, and this is going to be on August 3rd, starting at noon, and it's two 1 hour long sessions. The first one is Riches in the Niches, and the second one is Online Recruiting for Real Estate. Now, in Riches for the Niches, we're going to go in and we're going to show you how to safe harbor your business in all cycles of real estate with niche marketing topics. Lots of resources to help you build and grow your business and thrive no matter what the market conditions are. And then online recruiting for real estate, we're going to specifically go in and show you how you can use online recruiting techniques to build and grow your share. This is something that I've done purposely since spring of 2018, and I've added over $95,000 in profit share to my downline. So this is a class that you definitely do not want to miss to learn how to build and grow your profit share. So we'll see you for Riches in the Niches for the first hour and then recruiting for the second. And this is August 3rd from 12 to 2 there at KW Plano. See you then. Thanks.